Well, hello and welcome to Save Our Stuff. Here I have a Nintendo Switch with, as you can see, an orange screen. That means the Wi-Fi chip is bad. So let's replace that Wi-Fi chip. First turn the switch off, hold the power button for about 20 seconds. And now open the switch. The Wi-Fi chip is beneath the NAND, so let's remove the NAND and look under the microscope how the chip looks like. It's a CYW chip. So let's replace the chip. First I heat up the board. I think I tried reflow before on this chip because I see a lot of flux. Okay, that's the chip. Let's add some flux. And add some unleaded solder. Some more flux. And let's wick the solder away with some solder wick. See some pads connected. Let's check if they must be connected. I think they do, but Okay, and a little bit of flux. Well, these are very fragile chips made of glass and a lot of small solder balls. This is a pre-balled chip taken from another Nintendo Switch. Okay, that should be okay. Now let's slowly heat up the chip. Okay, there it's fluid into. Yes, I think it's on. Now let's cool. Now let's cool the board, clean it, and test it. Okay, let's test it. Does it still turn on? Nope, it doesn't. Oh, everything connected except okay, let's test it. Still turn on? Yes, it does. Touch doesn't work, but let's connect the Joy-Con. And it's connected to the Wi-Fi, so that's good. Now hope it doesn't. Now I hope it doesn't go to orange screen. Well, sometimes it takes a while to do that. So let's put this switch aside and for a day, and if it's not turning to orange screen in a day, then it should be fixed. Yeah, it has been 2 days, and let's see if it still works. So I turn it on. Yeah. Oh, no touch. Okay. Oh yeah. Still works. So orange screen, problem solved. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.